So what's going on, guys? Right now I'm currently driving to drop off the car for it to get wrapped at West. We are behind on schedule by a day from the original plan. We were supposed to drop it off yesterday, but material didn't come in on time, so I'm dropping it off today. He said it was going to get dropped off by noon today. It's currently noon, so we'll just have to see. He just told me to drop it off so he can start working on it soon and have it done for me as soon as possible. The lights are going in on the car, which the lights are right here in the back seat. And there's also some masks that we'll see if he's able to wrap them to match the car's look. I'll be giving away maybe 2 of those because I do want to keep one. So yeah, if you're interested in the giveaway, just stay tuned to the YouTube or the Instagram at JohnnyTube, same name. And if the masks aren't able to be done, we'll just have another sort of giveaway, because I do want to do a giveaway, especially for the cars, look, and to, also attract a little more attention to it, because, well, that's the goal. That's what everybody strives to when they do stuff to the car. I already got a couple compliments with the car so far, so I'm hoping that with this strap, it just bumps it up to the next level, and then we can go on to phase 2 of this car's buildup. Yeah, right now I'm just currently driving to drop it off, and we'll have another video when I pick up the car and see how it looks. So yeah, I'm excited. Hopefully it doesn't take long. Hopefully there's no issues with it and everything gets done right. So yeah, peace out, guys. I'll see you on the next video.